the FR380 from BoatsToGo.com. It's a 12.5 foot fishing raft that comes with raft and frame. The frame ships in 4 pieces that you put together and hold together with these pins here. There's 6 pins that hold it together. It was pretty easy to put together. And then 4 straps hold the frame to the D-rings on the raft. It's got a pretty durable rubber perimeter with extra PVC layers that go all the way around the raft. In the back here, it's got a little cargo cover for storage. Also some motor mounts in the back. In the front, it's got a anchor block, couple rod holders, and then a couple accessory tracks. I put rubber caps that it shipped with on the back of the frame, but you could, looks like you could pretty easily add on to the frame, maybe add a 3rd seat. It also ships with hand pump and repair kit, and also a carry bag. I bought some foam padding for the floor just to give it extra protection. Had it on the water for the first time yesterday. It floated really well. I really like the size of it. Maneuvered well. Seems to be a great value. It was nice and stable, which I liked. I was able to stand up most of the time with no problem to cast. Yeah, so here it is, FR380 from BoatsToGo.